How to fix Instagram messages not sending. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, not sending of Instagram message is a common issue. It's usually pretty easy to resolve. Whether you're on iPhone or Android, the steps are pretty much same. First things first, what you need to do is try heading over to your app store and then search for Instagram. So make sure that your Instagram is updated. Sometimes outdated can also cause this issue. So go to Instagram, make sure that you update it. And then you can also come back, head over to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and then go to Instagram, try offloading the app and reinstalling it again. But sometimes it might not be Instagram issue at all. It might be because of your Wi-Fi. So swipe down from the top right corner. So you can toggle on the airplane mode and then toggle it back again. This refreshes the network connectivity. And you can also check your Wi-Fi connection. If there is some problem, then talk with your internet service provider. I hope one of the solution helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.